China is the biggest market for Tesla. 50% of its production, 20% of its revenue. It's a very important market for Elon Musk, and that's showing in his visit today to China to kind of set the story straight, make sure they're on the same page with the CCP. And he was met by the foreign minister. Not too many CEOs, go from one country to another, being met by foreign ministers and presidents, but Elon Musk can pull this off.
The billionaire's plans in China aren't clear, but Reuters reported back in March that Musk was planning a visit and seeking a meeting with Premier Li Qiang. He's also expected to visit Tesla's factory in Shanghai.
Yeah, I was surprised to hear that it's been 3 years since he last visited. It was that time he went to visit the opening of the factory and did that dance on stage. But obviously, China very important to Tesla. It's their biggest factory by volume. They sold over 20% of their cars there. It's a big deal, and over half of the cars are exported from there to other markets. So China, a big factor for them in their success story.
Get ready for a shocking revelation. Tesla, the iconic electric vehicle giant, appears to be gearing up for a monumental move in China that could send ripples through the global car industry. Can you guess? Their power-packed Model Y, a trailblazer in the EV space, has not only dominated China's market, but also conquered the world by becoming the best-selling car globally. Picture this. In Q1 2023 alone, a staggering 94,469 Model Y units were snapped up by eager customers in China. This marked an impressive 26% year-on-year surge, according to the China Passenger Car Association. With a remarkable 11% chunk of the total EV sales in the first quarter, the Model Y has achieved a feat that left many naysayers in disbelief. Despite a fiercely competitive market and increasing challenges, Tesla, under the initiative of the innovative helm of Elon Musk, has demonstrated an awe-inspiring performance. But hold your breath, as this could become the beginning of Tesla's dramatic journey in China. The rumors are brewing. Is there a brand new gigafactory in the pipeline for China? Stay tuned as we unveil how Tesla is going to be preparing to further fortify its stronghold and how it may go ahead with all of this, as it looks into surging into the EV market in China. Prepare to be electrified.
Musk is expected to visit Tesla's Shanghai plant during that visit. Tesla shares up by about 2.9%, and probably worth pointing out, Jamie Dimon is in Shanghai as well. For the first time, they've had an in-person J.P. Morgan China summit. Same thing since 2019.
Elon Musk travels to China for the first time in 3 years, and there's even been some positive commentary from China pertaining to Tesla. But there's such a big landscape and competitive landscape that is. Tell me a little bit about this.
Yeah, China is Elon Musk's frenemy. China is all of our frenemy. They have to play nice in the sandbox with Elon. He's driving the majority of the conversation around EV adoption globally. They have great solutions for their demographic, but they also control 58% of the global supply chain of the core commodities necessary for any EV, any solar, any wind. And so Elon has to play nice with them as well if he wants to be able to tap into that processing capacity and have enough batteries to satiate demand for all the beautiful cars he's building.
Tesla CEO Elon Musk recently made a visit to China for a meeting with the country's foreign minister in Beijing, marking his return to Tesla's largest production hub after 3 years. The trip is the latest return by the CEO to China since the country reopened its borders and reversed its zero-COVID policy in December. Musk met Chinese Foreign Minister Qin Gang after landing in Beijing. Qin told Elon Musk that China was committed to improving the business environment for investors, including Tesla, and used an elaborate driving metaphor to describe China-US relations. The Chinese minister's statement hinted that Tesla and China may be looking towards having a mutually beneficial cooperation of some sort. And just maybe, Tesla's expansion may be a part of these discussions. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. China is the second largest market for Tesla after the United States, accounting for nearly a quarter of its revenue in 2022. Its plant in Shanghai, located on the outskirts of the city, accounts for roughly half of the company's global car deliveries. For Tesla, Shanghai is the site of its single largest factory for making electric cars. The plant not only supplies China's domestic vehicle market, but also exports large numbers of cars to Europe, where Tesla has found it harder to build factories as quickly as in Shanghai. There are several factors contributing to Tesla's lack of direct competition. A combination of technological prowess, strategic foresight, and brand loyalty has established Tesla as an unrivaled leader in the EV industry. The company's relentless focus on research and development has allowed it to stay at the forefront of innovation, making it extremely challenging for investors to catch up. What could Tesla's new plan in China be? Keep watching to find out. But before we get on with the rest of this video, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything happening with Tesla. Tesla's expertise in battery technology, electric drivetrains, and software integration has also created a significant technological moat that is hard for other companies to bridge. The automaker recently announced that it will build a new factory in Shanghai to manufacture its large-scale energy storage battery called the Megapack. With the new plant, Tesla plans to take advantage of China's dominant battery supply chain to increase output of its Megapacks and to lower their costs, in the hopes of meeting the rising global demand for energy storage as the world shifts to using more renewable energy. Tesla already has a factory for its Megapack in Lathrop, where it can manufacture 10,000 of them annually. The company began production of its Model 3 cars in Shanghai in 2019, and is now able to produce 22,000 of them per week. Tesla's launch into the Chinese energy market will be one of the biggest growth catalysts it's ever seen. This is because the demand for grid storage batteries is especially strong in its Chinese market. China has been liberalizing its markets for power in response to waves of blackouts in the autumn of 2021, when demand overwhelmed the country's power suppliers. Tesla's ambitions on the Megapack side are impressive. The long-term goal is to boost annual output to 1 terawatt-hours, which could represent 25 times the annual production capacity of the current factory in Lathrop. To get a hold of the battery production, Tesla has been working closely with Chinese giants in batteries, CATL. CATL has deepened its collaborations with clients, including Tesla, in supplies for energy storage batteries. The company's chairman, Robin Zeng, expects energy storage batteries to have a larger market than batteries powering electric vehicles. China produces most of the world's rechargeable batteries and dominates the chemical processing needed to produce their ingredients. Many provinces in China now require new solar and wind farms to have enough batteries to hold 10 to 20% of the electricity they generate. The combination of China's shift in pricing and the regulations for new renewable energy installations to store electricity is creating a fast-growing demand for batteries. Tesla's Shanghai facility that will make the Megapacks will be close to the factories that manufacture almost all of the world's lithium iron phosphate compounds for batteries. These compounds are less expensive to make than the materials previously used in rechargeable batteries, which makes Tesla's battery cost-effective. When the new plant opens up, Tesla will take advantage of China's dominant battery supply chain to increase output of its Megapacks and lower their costs, in the hopes of meeting up with rising global demand for energy storage as the world shifts to using more renewable energy. Tesla's strong brand reputation is due to its commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. The automaker is a relatively new entrant into the automotive industry, and it's had to build its manufacturing capabilities from scratch. Tesla's gigafactories have helped the company scale up production, even though its manufacturing capacity is still smaller when compared to traditional automakers like Ford. Tesla has adopted a direct-to-consumer sales model, bypassing traditional retail channels to establish a closer connection with their customers. The automaker sells its vehicles directly through the company's own stores and online as well, allowing for more personalized buying experiences. This direct approach enables better brand representation, customer support, and data collection. Do you think Tesla's expansion in China is imminent? Let us know down below. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.